Abay maganda ngang sinabi dito ni LeBron James pati na rin ni Marcus Smart after nga ng kanilang clutch win in game number 3. Well, the Lakers are in a very commanding 3-0 lead. Nasa magandang spot itong ang LA Lakers sa round 1 series nila against sa Rockets. And basically kapag na 3-0 ka na sa playoffs ay sure win na at dediretso na nga sa second round. Ganyan nga ang sinasabi sa atin ng historical figures kung saan halos wala pang ang nananalong NBA team from being down 3-0. None in NBA history. So basically sure win na ang LA Lakers. Pero eto nga si LeBron James pati na rin si Marcus Smart is not relaxing kung saan patuloy pa rin maganda ang kanilang mentality heading into game number 4. Eto pakinggan natin si Marcus Smart.
Do you even allow yourself to think about what advancing in 4 would do for you guys, whether it's Luka and Austin? So I guess what was the message from JJ in that regard for Sunday?
Got one more. It's not over. We got one more, and we're in their home, and nobody wants to get embarrassed in their home. And we got them in a nail biter tonight, so it's one more. We can't worry about what happens after that because we got to take care of that. So we'll worry about that after the game. Right now, Sunday is the only thing on our mind. We're just trying to have that killer mentality right now. We got them on the ropes, and it's our job to try to finish. It's their job to fight back.
Well, ayon nga dito kay Marcus Smart ay it is not over. Hindi pa nga daw tapos ang serye na ito at hindi sila dapat na mag-relax. One more win ang kinakailangan nila bago nga sila mag-celebrate. At mukha namang hindi pa naka-celebration mode itong sila Marcus Smart at ganyan rin sinabi na kinakailangan daw nilang patuloy na maging aggressive, hindi nga mag-relax. Nang dahil for sure babawi nga itong team ng Houston Rockets. And well, ganyan din naman ang mentality ni LeBron James kung saan ito ang kanyang sinabi sa interview. Pakinggan natin.
I mean, what else are we gonna do? We don't have the luxury of thinking about maybe it's another game or it's a game, game 6, game 7. Like our only mindset is like the next game. Like we have to be in the moment. Like we are not. Keep harping on it. Like we're missing some very important pieces to our ball club. Like very important. We don't have the luxury of like being passive or being complacent. Like we don't have the luxury to do that. So our whole mindset is like we have to do everything it takes in that particular game, in that particular moment, in that particular possession, in order for us to win basketball games. Because we don't have a long leash of error. We don't have a lot of error.
Wala yun nga dito kay LeBron James ay they have to be in the moment. Patuloy nga din daw kailangan na maging aggressive sila nang dahil sa ngayon they are missing very important pieces sa kanilang mga team. Wala daw panahon para na mag-relax, para nga hindi seryosohin nang dahil nga alam nila na may kulang sa kanilang team at ang kulang ay malaki-laking kawalan sa kanila. Kaya nga't everybody is locked in pa nga rin daw kahit up sila 3-0 sa serye na ito. At yan nga ang magagandang mga sinabi neto nga ni LeBron James pati na rin ni Marcus Smart, ang mga veterano dito sa Lakers team. Ang mga playoff tested na ito, battle tested at alam na nila kung paano nga gumalaw ang NBA playoffs na you cannot relax nang dahil one game can change everything. So itong magandang mentality ito ay pinangungunahan ni LeBron at pati na rin ni Marcus Smart, and for sure susunod yan ang kanilang mga teammates dito nga sa LA Lakers. Kaya naman in game number 4 we expect na patuloy na magiging aggressive itong LA Lakers looking to close out itong ang Houston Rockets. Anyways, kayo ba ano bang masasabi nyo dito sa magandang mentality? Magandang mga sinabi ni LeBron pati na rin ni Smart. Komento nyo lamang yan sa ating comment section.